So in this video, we are going to start Camtasia video editing series. So let's start. So basically the Camtasia is a software which is used for video editing. So we are going to discuss about that, and we are going to cover all the options and tools of that software, that how software is used and what is the function of that software. So let's start. So let's open the Camtasia. So first of all, we have to download that. So as you can see, I have downloaded that and I have already installed it. So let's click on this. So as you can see, here's the interface of the Camtasia. You will see the Camtasia like this. So here's a new project option. If you want to create a new project, then you have to click on this. And if you want to open the old project, then you have to click on the open project. And you have to, if you want to record your screen, then simply you have to click on the new recording. And here's the option for the new form template. If you want to choose a template, then you can also choose a template. As you can see, these are the templates. So I'm going to cut this, and now simply I'm going to click on the new project. So as you can see, the Camtasia is open. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the import media, and after clicking on the import media, we have to import the videos which we want to edit. So I'm going to import the videos. We have to select that, and now we have to click on the open. So as you can see, the videos are here. Now what we have to do, simply we have to drag these videos into timeline. So I'm going to drag this video into timeline. If you are a video editor, this is the basic information that you know, that this is basically a timeline, and this is our clip. So in this way you can see that. So this is the basically a clip. Now if you want to cut the clip, you can also do that. Here's the option for the split. As you can see, if you press the S, the video will be split. The video is split. Now you can drag this anywhere, and if you want to add another video, you can also do that. As you can see, add other video in this way. So I hope for this class this is enough. In this video we have learned that how you can import a media in Camtasia and how you can open the Camtasia and all the things. So see you guys in the next video.